But I did want to talk to you about something real quick. Um, there is on Netflix there is a special called Broken, and the first episode is called Makeup Maven with Marlena Stells, Makeup Geek, and it's about she's in it, but she's not like doing the documentary. She's just in it, and the documentary people, whatever they call, went undercover in China, and it's disgusting. Any makeup purchased from China, not regulated by by a big time makeup company, all of those knockoff brands, um, they are under the most unsanitary conditions, and that freaked me the heck out, man. I know there's I forgot what they call it, the fairgrounds or something like that, where people are selling this makeup. In New York they fight them, LA they fight them, they arrest them, they take all their stuff, um because it is just under such unsanitary, unregulated conditions. And more and more women have been going to the dermatologists with rashes and skin infections. And one lady could not open up her lips. Her lips were glued shut. They put like crazy glue in it or something. You can see that like the inner part of her lips like all red and chapped, and well, all red and irritated. She had to take a ton of oil. Nothing she did, it was so painful to open up her mouth. And they're just showing, the dermatologist saying our business is soared since these knockoff brands. And so they said the biggest thing about it is that these people sell like on eBay and on Amazon. And that freaked me out because this fantasy palette that I'm using, I've never bought knockoff makeup that I know of. This is made, obviously this comes from China. And I'm like, OMG, is it, what companies are doing this? Was this the same people who made, the, is this the same company that made it for James Charles? Because that's kind of like what I thought it might have been. Or is this a knockoff made under the most nastiest conditions? And then I don't know if it's mind over matter, but last time when I used it last week, I didn't feel anything, but then I didn't put it on my eyes. On my lid, I meant. I did put it on I put it for the contour and the highlight. But today I put on my lid and my eyes got kind of irritated. So I'm kind of nervous now about this. Anyway, so, just be aware that they said that the only way they can control this is if the consumer stops buying it. And it's understandable if you want to get something at a cheaper price. I'm all for that. But you just got to be careful what you buy from the streets. Like I said, eBay, Amazon, and I got that from Amazon. But they were saying that they've been trying really hard to go after the people who are selling the palettes. Now their biggest problem is online sellers. So just be careful what you buy. Okay, so anyway, I love you guys, and I really, really hope you have the best of holidays, the merriest Christmas, the happiest New Year, and I will see you guys in January. Okay, love you all. Mwah.